Welcome. Today we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to remove a story from your highlight on Instagram. Whether you want to refresh your profile or simply remove outdated content, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access your profile and highlights seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can view all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look for the section under your bio, where your highlights are displayed. Find the specific story from your highlight that you wish to remove. Tap on that highlight to open it up. Now that you're viewing the highlight, click on the More option, which is represented by 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options for managing your highlight. From this menu, select Remove from Highlight. This action will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure about this decision. It's important to note that removing a story from a highlight does not delete it from your archive. You can still access it later if needed. Finally, confirm the step by tapping on the Remove button in the pop-up window. Once confirmed, that story will be removed from your highlight, allowing you to keep your profile looking fresh and relevant. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a story from your Instagram highlight. This simple process helps you maintain a curated and appealing profile for your followers. Remember, regularly updating your highlights can enhance your Instagram presence and keep it aligned with your current interests and activities. Happy Instagramming!